Hello traders, in this video I am just going to be talking about the Arbitrage Forex EA for MT4. All right, I'm just going to walk you through exactly how the system operates, what kind of logic it's built on, and what you can realistically expect when you put it through proper backtesting. And quickly, before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, it's a solid option if you want something more flexible alongside this one. Now, very important, this EA is designed for MT4. All right, so if you want to make use of the EA, ensure that you have the MT4 platform. Now, the EA is currently free to download, developed by Gabriel Paul Angel Perrin, and it's based on what's described as an arbitrage strategy built from over 20 years of historical data according to what we have here. Right now, when you hear arbitrage in forex, it usually means taking advantage of price inefficiencies or correlations between instruments, and in this case the EA is focused on the EURUSD pair on the H4 time frame. The recommended setup is starting balance of around $2,000. All right, with relatively small lot sizes between 0.01 and 0.05 per trade. That already tells us something important. This is not a high frequency or aggressive system. All right, it is designed to operate with controlled exposure, even though it may hold multiple positions at the same time. Now, the developer makes an interesting claim here that higher drawdown can actually lead to higher potential gains. That's a key characteristic of arbitrage style or hedging based systems, right? Because instead of closing trades quickly, they often hold opposing positions and wait for market conditions to rebalance. So let's just break that down in practical sense. The EA is not trying to predict direction in a traditional way. Instead it's exploiting price relationships, opening positions that may temporarily go into drawdown, with the expectation that the market will eventually normalize. Now, one important detail here is that the EA uses hedging. All right, so you can have buy and sell positions open at the same time. That's very different from typical trend following or breakout systems. The advantage of this approach is that it can remain active in almost all market conditions, including news events. So in fact, the EA doesn't even rely on a news filter, because volatility can actually accelerate the arbitrage opportunities. But here's the trade-off: because positions are held and balanced over time, drawdown can build up, sometimes significantly, before profits are realized. So this is not a quick in, quick out system. It requires patience and proper capital management, right? Now, there is also something called virtualization mode. Okay. And that is where take profit levels are hidden from the broker. That's typically used to avoid, broker side interference, especially in strategies that depend on precise execution. All right, so now let's just move into the back testing, because this is where things really become clear. All right, we are going to be testing the EA on EURUSD on the H4 time frame. Of course, I have downloaded it already, so let's head over to our strategy tester. Okay, the Arbitrage Forex EA. We're going to be selecting the Arbitrage Forex Expert Advisor. Okay, we're going to be using EURUSD. All right, on the H4 time frame, and we are going to be running this back test from the beginning of this year. All right, so that we can observe a meaningful period. And as always, longer back tests give a more reliable picture than short-term runs. So let's just start quickly. Okay, now we can see that the EA is already active. All right, it's already active, opening buy and sell positions. You can see quite a good number of positions have already been opened and closed. Okay, so if you take a look closely, you will notice that we're not just seeing a single directional trade, right? That's a buy and sell position active around the same price zones, right? So this confirms the hedging behavior. Instead of committing to one direction, the EA is positioning itself to capture imbalance, between movements. So, okay, we can see it's not about individual trade wins, it's about the combined position eventually reaching a net profit. Okay, so because the EA is holding positions, waiting for price relationships to shift, is you can see that that's probably why the developer mentions that higher drawdown can correlate with higher potential gains. All right. Anyways, you'll see that this is basically what the EA is doing. This is basically it. Now we have been running this back test for I think a few minutes now, and we can see that this is basically what it's doing: buy and sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, right? Almost around the same price zones. So now let's just skip to the end of this back test and to see how the EA performed over the past 4 months, during the period of the back test, right? And let's analyze the results together. Okay, so what we are seeing is a cycle-based system, not frequent wins, but periodic profit closures after phases of drawdown. Now we can see that from an initial deposit of 10,000 US dollars, the total net profit was negative 260.66, right? So at the end of 4 months, it was a losing game, right? The largest profit trade was just $10.10. The largest losing trade was $9.6. The average profit was 2.42 and average loss was 2.12. So that tells me that the risk to reward ratio is just close to 1:1. There are 264 trades taken. Short trades were 132 with 27.27% win rate. Long positions were 132 with 22.73% win rate. No wonder the net profit was negative. You can see that the win rate is low. The win rate is low. All right. And the risk to reward ratio is also bad. Combining those two, definitely you should be expecting to see a negative net profit. But remember that these are historical backtest results, all right? So they don't guarantee future performance. From what we can observe, the EA comes with noticeable drawdown phases. Okay. It's best suited for traders who understand drawdown dynamics and are comfortable with holding positions over time. Okay. So this is not a beginner-friendly plug-and-play EA. It requires patience, proper risk control, and realistic expectations. But if you understand how arbitrage and hedging systems work, well, maybe it is worth testing further. All right. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.